Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You have the dongle and a target device ready. Plug it into a direct USB port now. Once inserted, watch the LED for power. If nothing lights, try another port. Make sure your computer has an internet connection so drivers can download automatically. On many systems, the OS will install a generic driver. If you see a notification, let it finish. While that runs, open your Bluetooth settings so you're ready for pairing in the next step. Once drivers appear installed, verify in Device Manager or System Profiler that the dongle shows as a Bluetooth adapter. On Windows, right-click to update or load the vendor. Inf if automatic drivers fail. On Mac OS, grant any security prompts so the extension can run. On Linux, install Blues, run rrefkill unblock Bluetooth, then hsicconfig to confirm the interface. Now enable Discovery in your Bluetooth settings and start pairing mode on the peripheral. Select it and accept any PIN prompts to complete pairing. After pairing, run a concrete test. Transfer a small file, play audio, or press keys if using a keyboard to confirm profiles are active. Then set the adapter to start with the system, enable the Bluetooth service on Linux, add to login items on Mac OS, or set to run at startup on Windows. If problems persist, reinsert the dongle, update or reinstall the driver, and check for chipset compatibility notes from the vendor. That single troubleshooting step often resolves unseen conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.